Today I'm showing you how to refill the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 with our universal T50 to T522 compatible ink. Pinch both sides tightly, break it and open it. Just break the buckle. Turn on the lever now. Open the ink bottle cap. Start adding ink now. You can observe whether the ink is full here. You can cover it back when it is full. Ready to open. Break this off. You can check the status of the nozzle. Scan, Wi-Fi setup, maintenance. We usually clean. You can do it manually here. And this cleaning function. This is a test. Cleaning. Strong cleaning. Waste ink. Next, print the first test sheet. Our ink bottles are compatible with Epson T502 and T522 series, which means one bottle fits all these models ET-2700, ET-2720, ET-2800, ET-2803, ET-2840, and more. Our ink is universally compatible. Printing is now complete. Let's look at this effect. Crisp lines, rich colors, zero hassle. One ink, multiple printers, huge savings.